Alright, welcome back. So, Yorkshire Udon. Right, so basically some Japanese style udon. We have some, well, it says made in Japan. We've got some curry mix. We've got a red onion. We've got some hellfire cranked. Just a little dab of hot sauce, just to make it a little bit more spicy. And I've got some bacon as well. So, the end product doesn't look very nice, but it is just really, really tasty. So, we're going to put the curry powder in a pan of water. It's just basically the same as any other sort of like gravy mix or anything, instant gravy. You just dissolve it in water. And we'll put the noodles in there when it's warm, and then we'll chop up some onions and some bacon, fry them in the pan, and then mix it all together at the end. It's dead simple. It doesn't look nice, but it's bloody gorgeous. Right, let us start. So in this pack, it's made in China, but it's Japanese style. There are 2 portions, so that's pretty nice. Okay, so basically it just comes in a solid. We're going to unpeel it. We're going to use half of it. So just think of it as a massive OXO cube. Okay, so we're just going to use half, and we're going to dump that in there. We don't need any more of that. Go into fridge. Okay. So I suppose we could break it up a bit, but this is just like the curry that you get at the chip shop, a British chip shop. It's very nice. Now, depending on how thick you want it, it just depends how much water you put in. So we'll just put that on low heat, put the lid on, and just leave that and forget about that. And then I'll go and chop some onions and some bacon, and I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so I hope you can see this. It's just dissolving in the water. Depending on how much water you put in, it's just depending on how thick it is. But it will thicken up after a while. And then what we'll do, I've chopped some onions up. I'll chop up some bacon, and then we'll put the bacon in the frying pan and take it from there. Okay, so I've chopped up some bacon, I've chopped up some onions. I'm going to put them in the pan in a minute, but I'm just going to open this. We're going to put it in there, and it's just going to simmer until the bacon's cooked. So I'll get that out. We shall put this in here. As I said, it doesn't look great, but it tastes amazing. Amazing. So I'll just stir this in. Looks more like spaghetti than anything else. So these udon, they just need heating up. They don't need cooking or anything. They just need heating up. So we'll put that in there, and that can simmer until the bacon's cooked. So we'll put that in there. It's on low heat, and then just get rid of that. Get rid of that. And I like onion. There's a lot of onion in there. Oh, there's a udon in. Oh, we'll keep that in there. Yes, there is a lot of onion, and there's a lot of bacon as well. And it smells delicious. Okay. And I need another spoon. And we'll just wait. I mean, I don't mind how much cooked the onions are, but we'll wait. In fact, we'll put that there. And that's it really. We'll see how it goes. And I almost forgot the Hellfire. This is really, really hot, but it's really nice. So I'm only going to put a bit in just to give it a bit of kick. Just a bit. Okay, you don't need that much because it's really powerful. Okay, I'll stir that in. I should have put it in before I put the noodles in actually. But I would put the extractor fan on, but it would make a lot of noise. Okay, let's go and put that back over there. It smells gorgeous. Okay, so we'll just wait for the bacon to cook and then Bob's your uncle. Okay, this is not necessary. We've got some salt, paprika and pepper seasoned. We don't need it, but I've got it in the cupboard, so I'm putting some in. So get some. Get some. Okay. Okay. So, as I said, the udon, you don't even need to think about the udon. As long as it's warm, that's it. And all I'm doing is waiting until the bacon cooks. I don't need to worry about the onion. I don't mind how cooked the onion is. It's just as long as the bacon's cooked. But I did put a little bit of olive oil in the pan, but because of the bacon, you don't need that much. But yeah. Leave that there. And don't forget just to quickly spin this around a bit so it doesn't curdle. Okay. Lovely. Okay, we're getting near the end. Just a quick 1-2 with this. We don't really want it to be boiling because we don't want to burn it. And then, oh, it smells gorgeous. So you can either put the bacon and the onions in here and stir it around, or you can put it all in a bowl and stir it around. So I think that's what we'll put it in the bowl. Super smashing. Right, we'll get a bowl. Put that over there. Turn that off. Put that over there. We have a bowl here. It looks like a fruit bowl. Okay, so let us put this in here. I'll say it doesn't look nice, but it's absolutely gorgeous. Okay, and we shall put this in here. Okay, super steamy. Okay. Put that over there. And then we'll just spin it around a bit. But as I said, it's absolutely astounding how good it tastes. If you like curry, that is, obviously. I say it looks like a dog's dinner, but it's beautiful. It really is nice. And don't knock it until you try it. Okay. Gorgeous. Right, there you go. Anyway, thanks for watching. That is Yorkshire Udon. Stay tuned for next episode. No idea what it'll be. But yeah, thanks for watching, everybody. Yeah, it doesn't look nice, but it's absolutely gorgeous. Right. Goodbye, everybody.